Quartzforms redefines the concept of surface for the top of your kitchen and your bathroom.
It does it with innovative materials using cutting-edge technologies.
Warning: dangerous loads. The enemies of your top are everywhere.
The small mishaps are those clumsy actions that jeopardize our top. Do not worry, our surfaces are resistant and easy to clean.
Our little mishap today is the chipping of the top due to distraction in loading the dishwasher.
The movements we repeat every day and we do without attention can produce damage to the kitchen top. When loading the dishwasher, be careful not to knock the dishes on the edge of the top. The plan could chip.
Practice. Continuity and determination save your top from bad accidents.
The Quartzform stone is a safe material when it is in direct contact with food and water. It follows the certification standards for zero-emission products
And does not contain harmful substances. Quartzforms, Tales of Stone.